How to make delicious huevos rancheros at home. Huevos rancheros is a traditional Mexican breakfast dish consisting of eggs, salsa, and tortillas. This dish is easy to make and perfect for breakfast or brunch. Ingredients: 4 large eggs, 4 corn tortillas, 1 cup of refried beans, 1 cup of salsa, 1/2 cup of chopped onions, 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro, 1/4 cup of sour cream, salt and pepper to taste. Vegetable oil. Step 1. First, heat a skillet over medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Once the oil is heated, add the tortillas to the skillet and cook for 1 to 2 minutes on each side until they are slightly crispy. Once done, transfer the tortillas to a plate and set them aside. Step 2. In the same skillet, add the refried beans and cook them over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are heated through. Once done, remove the beans from the skillet and set them aside. Step 3. In a separate skillet, heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil over medium heat. Once the oil is heated, add the chopped onions and cook them for 1 to 2 minutes until they are slightly softened. Step 4. Add the salsa to the skillet and cook it with the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes until it is heated through. Once done, remove the skillet from heat and set it aside. Step 5. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Once the oil is heated, crack the eggs into the skillet and cook them until the whites are set but the yolks are still runny, which should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Step 6. Now it's time to assemble the huevos rancheros. Place 1 tortilla on each plate and spread a spoonful of refried beans on top of each tortilla. Then, place a cooked egg on top of the beans on each tortilla. Step 7. Spoon the salsa and onion mixture over each egg and sprinkle with chopped cilantro. Finally, add a dollop of sour cream on top of each egg and season with salt and pepper to taste. Step 8. Serve the huevos rancheros hot and enjoy. Thanks for watching our video on how to make huevos rancheros. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes like this one.